Are you confused about what battery size you need for your solar system? Don't worry. Today we'll show you how to calculate the right size, step by step. Step 1. Know your daily electricity usage. Check your electricity bill or use a watt meter. For example, let's say you use 8 kilowatt hours per day. Step 2. Decide how many backup hours you want. If you want power for 10 hours at night, this will guide your battery size. Step 3. Use this simple formula. Battery size kilowatt hours equals daily usage times backup hours divided by 24. Example, 8 times 10 divided by 24 is about 3.3 kilowatt hours. Step 4. Add a safety margin. Always add 20 to 30% extra for cloudy days. So here, you'd need about 4 to 4.5 kilowatt hours. Step 5. Choose your battery type. Lithium-ion batteries last longer and are 90% plus efficient. Lead-acid batteries are cheaper, but heavier and shorter life. So now you know, with one quick calculation, you can save money and enjoy reliable power day and night. Start your journey to energy freedom today with Avrio Technologies. Search engine engine www.avrio.lk. WhatsApp 075-807-5076. Avrio Technologies. Power your future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos on solar energy and technology.